In this tutorial, I'll walk you through different ways to earn money using Phantom Wallet in 2025. So whether you're into staking, trading, or NFTs, Phantom Wallet offers multiple ways to grow your crypto holdings. So for the first ways of how to earn money is this staking SOL for passive income. This is best for long-term holdings or holders who want passive income. So now, select the Solana and then scroll down under the staking, click this start earning SOL, and then choose a validator with good rewards. So stake your SOL and earn around 5 to 7% APY in passive rewards. You can unstake anytime, but rewards accumulate over time. You can pick a trusted validator to maximize rewards and security. And for the second options of how to earn money in here is the trading and swapping tokens. So basically, this is best for active traders looking for short-term gains. You can use Phantom's built-in swap features in here and to trade Solana-based tokens. You can buy low and sell high on DXX like Jupiter or Radium and stay updated on Solana ecosystems trends to find promising tokens. So tip, look for a low market cap gems before they pump. So for the third ways of how to earn in here is the flipping NFTs on Solana. So this is best for NFT enthusiasts who know how to spot valuable projects. You can use Magic Eden, Tensor, or Exchange.art to buy and sell NFTs. And buy NFTs from new or hype collections at mini price. You can sell when demand increases for a quick flip or hold for long-term gains. You can also watch Twitter, Discord, and Solana NFT trends to spot profitable projects early for this. And for the fourth ways of how to earn is the airdrops on the free tokens. This is best for who want to have a free crypto with a little effort. You can interact with new Solana projects to qualify airdrops, and some platforms rewards users who trade stake or provide liquidity. So keep an eye on Solana-based DeFi projects. Early users often get rewarded. And for the fifth and last ways of how to earn money in Phantom Wallet is by providing liquidity on DeFi platforms. This is best for users who want high yield rewards with risk. You can use Radium, Orca, or Saber to provide liquidity. You can earn a percentage of trading fees in return. And some platforms offer farming rewards that boost your earnings. So risk warning here is that liquidity pools have impermanent loss. So research before investing. And that's it. So Phantom Wallet isn't just for storing crypto. It's a powerful tool for making money in Solana ecosystem. Whether you stake, trade, flip, NFTs, or hunt airdrops, there are plenty ways to grow your crypto holdings. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.